Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel VOCAB Jam, where we bring one new word every day to add to your vocabulary. So our today's word is dainty. What does dainty mean? Dainty means small and pretty. It is also sometimes used about a person's movement, very careful in a way that tries to show good manners. Now let us see few similar words to dainty which will help you understand the word better. Cute, elegant, graceful, etc. Now let us see how can we use the word dainty in a sentence. So here is the first sentence. She took a dainty sip of tea from her cup, which means she took a sip of tea gracefully, which exhibited her good manners. Let us take one more example. The baby held her dainty fingers tightly in her fist, which means the baby held her cute little fingers tightly in her fist. We hope that you will like our video and you will use the word dainty in one of the sentences that you form today. Thank you.